There is one problem with every applicants of competitive exams, that is recruitment is frequently cancelled due to use of any unfair means or any malpractices resulting in the cancellations of exam. Now to put a mark on this, there is a Prevention of Unfair Means Act 2024 has been presented in the Lok Sabha, and that is what we will be looking at today. So hello and welcome to GRules, and I am John Lewis, and in today's episode we will be discussing about Public Examinations Act 2024. So during this discussion we will be discussing why this act is paused, to whom this act is applicable to, what is the aim of this act, and what are the actions that constitutes any unfair means or practices, and what are its subsequent punishments. Why this act is passed? So on the background behind this is, in the last decades we have been seeing in many newspapers and social media that the examinations cancelled because of very irregular practices and because of any unfair means used by the students, and the paper got leaked, that is the question papers got leaked, because of which the overall exam cycles get extended. And it has also been discovered that in the last 5 years around about 48 paper leaks has been identified in around 16 plus states. So this bill is paused in order to put a stop to those malpractices. So what is the aim of this bill? So what does the bill intend to achieve? So it is claimed to improve the exam system's transparency and exams fairness, and of course the credibility of the exam systems. To whom this act is applicable to? So this is well defined in section 2L of this act. 2L of the act explains Public Examinations Authority. So as per this act, Public Examinations Authority means an authority as specified by the central government by a notification. So as per this act, they have listed out a set of commissions and boards as Public Examinations Authority. Now we will discuss one by one. So number 1, Union Public Service Commission. It is one of the Public Examinations Authority. Union Public Service Commission conducts exams for several civil services like IAS, IFS, IPS, etc. Number 2, Staff Selection Commission, that is SSC. SSC conducts exams for Group B and Group C service categories. Number 3, Railway Recruitment Board, that is RRB. RRB conducts exams for various vacancies arising in the railway department. Number 4, Institute of Banking Personnel Selections, that is IBPS. IBPS conducts exams for nationalized banks. And number 5, it is National Testing Agency, NTA. NTA conducts almost most of the entrance exams like JEE, NEETs, and other recruitment exams, etc. And number 6, it is the ministries or department of the central government and its subordinate officers for recruitment of staffs. So these are the Public Examination Authority as defined in this act, that is Public Examinations Act 2024. Now we will discuss what are the actions that constitutes unfair means, that is malpractices. So there is, as per this act, under section 3 of this act defines what as action constitutes unfair means, and it has also given clear-cut explanations of the word unfair. So as per this act, the word unfair means any act done by any person or group of person or institution for any monetary or wrongful gain. So this act defines almost 15 actions that leads to exams, that is unfair actions during the public examinations. For example, let us say leakage of papers, that is leakage of question papers and answer keys. So this action is one of the unfair means in the exams. And let's say accessing the question papers of OMR and question papers without the any authority's permission, providing solutions by any unauthorized persons during the examinations, and tampering of answer sheets including the OMRs, and tampering with the help of computer networks or computer resources or computer systems, creations of fake websites, and conduct of fake exams, issuance of fake admit cards, and issuance of fake offer letters, and issuance of fake appointment orders, like that. So this act defines a detailed set of actions that constitutes to unfair means or malpractices in the public examinations. So this act also defines certain punishments for the persons and service providers who are involved in those unfair activities. So that is defined under section 9 of this act. So as per this section 9, all offences under this act are cognizable, non-bailable, and non-compoundable. That means if it is found that any malpractice has been practiced in the examinations, so there is no requirement of any arrest warrant to arrest any person. So this act has that provisions inbuilt in this. So as per this act, there are punishments given to the persons and service providers. Let us discuss in detail. First we'll discuss for the what is the punishment given to the persons who is involved in these malpractices. First, for the persons. So the persons involved in any unfair means during the public examinations will have imprisonment of 3 to 5 years plus rupees 10 lakh fine, that is penalty. He has to bear that. And if it is found any service provider is involved in these malpractices, so the service provider has to pay a fine of rupees 1 crore, and he shall be barred from being assigned with any responsibilities for conduct of any public examinations for a period of 4 years. And if it is found that the malpractice is done in by an organized manner, that is, if it is involved by a person, group of person, service provider and institutions, like an organized crime, and it is proved, then there shall be an imprisonment for a period from 5 to 10 years plus 1 crore fine. In case of any default of payment, an additional imprisonment shall be imposed as per the provisions of Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita Bill 2023. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading, keep writing, and keep subscribe to the channel. And thank you. For more informative contents, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you. See you next time in the next video.